What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Bloody Valentine by Machine Gun Kelly. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll double Eskimo punch your taint into the ground. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got a few different guitar parts that happen throughout the entire song, and I'm going to show you every single one of them, starting with the intro and the verses. I will have the full guitar tab for this in the video description, so if you need it, jump into the video description. Once you get done, the guitar tab will be there for you. So I'm going to start off by showing you just the basic chords that you can play pretty much through the entire song, starting from the intro. It just changes up in the bridge a little bit, but you can play these power chords throughout the entire song. You're going to start with a D power chord. It's your index finger on the 5th fret of the A string, ring finger on the 7th fret of the D string, and your pinky finger on the 7th fret of the G string. Then you're going to move that down to an A power chord, which is that same formation, just move it down one string, where your index finger is on the 5th fret of the low E string, and your ring fingers on the 7th fret of the A string, and your pinky fingers on the 7th fret of the D string. And then finally, you just need an F sharp bar chord. It's that same formation, just starting on 2 on E, 4 on A, 4 on D. And now you can strum through these chords. That's just down, down, up, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. Or you can palm mute through them. And so that's 8 palm mutes on D, 8 on A, 16 on F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now there are 2 more guitar parts that happen in the verses of the song. Your first one is going to be simply put your index finger on the 2nd fret of the G string, and you're going to be picking just G, B, G, just back and forth. And your second guitar part that happens through the verse is a little bit more difficult, but it's so 4 down picks on the 2nd fret of the G string, 5th fret, 7, 8. That's on the 2nd and the 3rd fret of the B string. And then that goes to the 2nd fret of the G to the first fret of the G. And sorry, that's 3 times on the 5th fret of the B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the 2 on the 2nd fret of the G. 5, 6, 7 on 1, 8. And they are palm muting that part, so it looks like. And full speed would be. Next up, I'll show you guys a little solo that happens throughout the song. It sounds like. So that's going to be 2nd fret on the G string and 2nd fret on the B string, and you're picking G, B, and you're kind of bending it a little bit, and then picking it again. You're doing that 3 times. And then you're picking open on B, 3 on B, 2 on B, back to 2 on G. And full speed looks like. Now the final thing you need to know is the bridge. It's probably the most difficult part of the song, honestly. You're starting with that F sharp power chord, 4 or 2 4 4. Then you go to an E power chord, which is open on E, 2 on both A and D, and I'm just using my index finger to hold down both of those. That D power chord, 5 7 7 on A D G. That A power chord, 5 7 7 on E A D. Then you're going to a B minor power chord. It's 2 4 4 on A, D, and G. Then a C sharp power chord, slide that down 2 frets to 4 6 6. Back to D. Back to E. So all together it looks like. And here, it plays through twice. On the first time, if you want to hold that down and then press the first fret on the low E, that kind of leads you back into the F sharp. You don't have to, but you can. That would look like. And the whole thing plays twice through, so altogether it looks like. Then it jumps back into the chorus. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.